Hi everyone, welcome to session 1 of our last week of home learning. And this week we're going to be, well, for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be learning all about posters. So we're going to start with today just looking at lots of different posters. Okay, on the website, I have put, there's about 25 posters on the website, so you can have a look at them. If you can download them, then that's great. I wouldn't recommend printing them out because there's so many and it will take up so much ink and so much paper. But if you can look at them on your tablet, then do. But have a look at these posters that I've put up for session 1. What I want you to do is just talk about what do you notice about these posters. Grown-ups have put a little bit of helpful hint on the next slide. So I'm also putting up on the website a list of key questions that you can ask your children. Also, or what you could do if you wanted to is just pause the video after I've asked each question and you can have a look at each of the posters and see what answers you can come up with the questions. So the first question is, how has the author captured your interest in the poster? Question 2, which words have been used to capture your interest? Number 3, are there any words or phrases which are repeated? What does this writing tool do? Number 4, are there any words which you particularly like? Number 5, are there any words which stick in your mind? Number 6, what do each of these posters have in common? What do you think posters need? Number 7, what do you notice about the writing and how it's written? What do you notice about the pictures that might have been used in the posters? And the last question is, what do you think the features are of a poster? So you can use all of those questions to help just discuss what do you think all of these posters have in them. Okay, I know it seems perhaps a bit of a strange literacy lesson, but the more we talk about it, the more we can build up our language, the easier it is to talk about later in our session, or later in the week rather. Okay, so the idea about today is to be able to talk about what a poster needs. So steps to success are to be able to pick out the features of a poster, to discuss what you like about the posters, and to look closely at each of the posters to pick out the language that is used. And what I will tell you now is that this is a block of a total of 10 lessons. So the first 5 lessons we're doing this week, and then the next 5 lessons you'll be doing when you come back to school. And the idea is at the end of this block of 10 lessons, we're going to create a fire safety poster. So the more you talk about the different features that the poster has and that you can see, if I go back to that slide, so the more you talk about these posters, then the easier it will be for you when it comes to actually writing and designing your own poster for next week, okay? So I'm going to let you go and have a good old chat about all the posters that you can find. Perhaps you can even find some other ones online that really catch your eye or capture your interest. Okay, have fun everyone. Bye.